guys, welcome back to day 2. Welcome to Kolam. Look at Ayushi, so tiny, you can't see her. Anushka. Hey, guys, where are we going?
We are going to Hoboken Park.
Soho.
right now.
First Soho.
Soho.
We're gonna get bagels.
Oh, nice.
I have to.
I'm just excited for food.
Yeah,
We're having
I'm
food,
so
guys.
hungry.
Food.
Yes, we're gonna have
Bagels.
bagels. Yay. Woohoo. We finally got. What did we get?
We got bagels. We got bagels with lots of things.
Look at how it looks like. Damn. I'm having an egg bagel. Gautam is having chicken.
Chicken bagel.
She's also ordered the egg one. What about you, Punya?
I'm vlogging, not this vlog. I'm having an egg bagel.
He's having an egg. And Ayushi, come here. What are you having? What are you having?
I'm getting the salad on the bagel.
Yeah. We're gonna eat. We can't do ASMR sadly. We should do ASMR someday. You know the earphones, the microphone that's shaped like an ear.
Oh yeah.
Should do it on that.
Yeah.
Look at them. Look at them. Wobbling it up. Okay. See you guys on the streets of Brooklyn. We are back.
Stop number 1. No, stop number 2 is what is it?
Liberty
Liberty Island.
Yes. So now we're gonna catch a cruise ship
You
boat
can show the cruise. It's almost here. A ferry is here. Almost. You can see that.
there. Yeah. And
by local train वाला experience use
दिखा can you show? No, you can't. Show what?
की भीड़ कितनी आ गई.
I can show. Oh, sorry. Guys. Okay.
We have
थोड़ा
wonderful incoming.
थोड़ा awkward हो रहा है.
Very.
Bye guys. We'll show you cruise. Guys,
Okay,
हमें आज एक बहुत खूबसूरत आदमी दिखा.
Eye candy.
And
हमारी तरफ वेव कर रहा था.
हमारी तरफ नहीं, लावण्या की तरफ. लावण्या
दो बार
लावण्या turn.
ओ भाई अगर वो बोलता पलट.
किसके साथ प्यार होगा? मेरे साथ.
हाँ.
Punna, I can't see anything.
New York. We are on the pedestal. You can see the view. Look at that. So pretty.
You can see
Look at the view. Yep. Look at the view. So pretty. Come here, Gautam. And now say.
You can see Manhattan on that side. You can see Jersey City on the other side. You can see we can see Financial District. You can see Brooklyn Bridge, Manhattan Bridge. A lot of cool stuff.
Now we're gonna go click pictures. See you soon. Bye. Now left Liberty Island and now we are heading to Ellis Island. Look at our hair. Look at the situation of our hair.
Like घोंसला हो गया यार.
I swear. We are going to Ellis Island. Look, can you spot Ayushi and Gautam?
Like damn, she lit.
Punya is being ladies magnet.
Oh, what's up, guys? Okay, guys. So there is one fat kid. One kid. He has some Hot Wheels car in his hand, and he's standing at the edge. Me and her have a bet that he's gonna top his car in the next 5 minutes.
Okay.
You all are terrible
Let's check that.
beings.
Only them, not us. We are very
Not
nice.
us. We're very nice.
Have you
Us
seen
and
this?
And he exists. And he exists. And he exists. Look at the size. God bless. Are you still looking at the...
Excuse me? G for good, G for goo.
What the... Okay. Bye, guys. These people will
Bye,
be
guys.
traumatized. So before that happens, like, share and subscribe.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes.
Wait.
Goodbye.
Can I say bye from this angle? Bye, guys.
You know, I called my dad.
Guys, so we have completed our trip to Ellis Island. We basically got off the ship and we were like, oh damn, Ellis Island, that's it. And we hopped on again. So that was productive. Now we are in Battery Park. Yep, so pretty. We haven't explored the park. But now we're gonna go eat, which is my favorite part. Lunch. Food. Zoom in नहीं कर सकती मैं, इनकी शक्लें देखो. I usually just popped out like that. She's so cute. Guys, we have eaten lunch.
We are at the Charging Bull.
You guys can see the bull.
Yes.
Can you
know
guess what
is
this
special
line is
about
for?
the bull?
Hello.
Anushka, please tell
Hello.
what is special about the bull.
The ball.
The bulls.
Yeah.
It's the balls.
Look huge. They're actually huge. And
They're
they're
actually
golden.
huge, yeah.
And the golden.
That's all.
People keep touching it.
Maybe it's a duck.
You see the bull.
But I still don't want.
Look at the line, guys. Look at the line.
Thing in the whole-
It goes up till there just to touch an animal inappropriately. Well, I guess that's a thing.
Hi, guys.
Gautam, did you do it? Do you want to do
Did you
it?
see the line for it? The line.
Of course he wants to, bro.
Why would I want to?
Okay, guys. Bye. We will meet you due for ice cream. Family friendly channel. So apparently we researched and asked around, and apparently if you touch
Let's go.
the private
Why
parts
are you
of the
touching me?
apparently if you touch the private parts of a bull, you get financial luck, good luck, right? And we all love financial good luck, don't we?
Financial good, yes.
Yes, yes. Do you love financial good luck?
Everyone does.
Exactly. So we did not do it.
We love to live in pain.
We love to live in peace.
We're in Purdue. I guess speak for Purdue people. Oh.
Yes. Okay. See you soon. See you soon.
See you.
See you. So we just explored Wall Street.
Water Street.
We looked at the New York Stock Exchange. We looked at a bunch of banks and like the entire buildings. And it's so good. Which movie had the Wall Street?
Inception.
Inception, and of course
And
the
the
movie
Wolf of Wall
Wolf of the Wall Street. Exactly. And look at the view. Damn. I've attached clips, of course, of Wall Street. So this is Water Street, but Wall Street is also good. Where did she go? Oh. I lost someone here. Where is she? Oh, she's here. Okay, guys. Now let's go eat ice cream. Say ice cream. Ice cream. You scream. Everybody. Ice cream. I forgot the lyrics. See you. Hello guys, where did we last stop? We got ice cream. Did I show you guys the ice cream?
Nope.
I think I did, and if I did not, I apologize. But guess where we are? We are on a ferry to
Dumbo.
like him. Anyways. Ooh.
Brooklyn Bridge.
Now let me show you Brooklyn Bridge. Ta-da! We are going to Dumbo. That's a place near.
Next stop, Dumbo, Fulton Ferry.
What are your thoughts, girls?
We're excited.
Yes. Ayushi thoughts. Ayushi. Yushi. Ayushi wants to do an NYPD. Oh yeah. Ayushi wants to do NYPD.
After we done.
Look at future trips already planned, you know. No? Okay. Bye. I'll show you guys the sunset soon. Guys, take a wild guess where we are. That's right, we are at Dumbo. No, I'm talking to the viewers, not you guys. Happy birthday!
We got that on.
We got that on video. Oh, now we are gonna go to Water Street. We're just gonna explore around, and I'm gonna post some clips. So keep on watching. Bye. the Brooklyn Bridge. Let's do personal interviews. Gautam.
Huh?
Personal interview 1. How does the bridge feel like?
The bridge feels amazing. It has a very beautiful view on both sides, to be honest. You
Yeah.
have World Trade Center, and then you have Manhattan Bridge, and you have Brooklyn behind you, and then you have Empire State diagonal to you, and
Yeah.
like, it's just wow, beautiful.
I completely agree. The Manhattan Bridge and the city on the side makes it so much better.
Indeed, it does.
Punya, personal interview 2.
Yes. What is the question? Wait, give me a question. Beautiful.
How do you
So
feel
beautiful.
walking on the bridge?
The first time I'm walking on a bridge, period,
Oh,
feels amazing.
wait, damn, really?
Imagine running down this bridge every morning.
Oh my
Feels
god,
very-
that would
yeah.
be so cool
So
actually.
cool.
And imagine seeing this view every day.
Yeah.
Like look at the back.
Wow.
Like that's so pretty.
The
Look at,
night slide.
yeah. Okay, now the girls.
0.5.
Ayushi,
Wait, hold
personal
on, guys,
interview
guys.
3. How do you feel walking on the bridge?
Either selfie ले सकते हैं, if there's enough light.
It's so
I'll
mesmerizing.
remember this for like my life. I believe.
Yeah, I feel like
So-
more than the camera, I feel like my
Yeah,
eyes
the
have captured
eyes,
this.
like camera cannot capture
Capture.
what your eyes can. Let's be
Yeah,
honest.
and camera cannot capture what you're feeling right now.
Yeah.
It's so
amazing.
it's like amazingly beautiful. Now the final interview is for our Miss Photographer Anushka Rao. How
Hello.
do you feel?
It's amazing. It's a beautiful view. Genuinely. No
Yeah.
camera can capture this view.
And yet we are going to fill our memory spaces as much as we can. oh. And they're gone. Okay, now we're gonna click pictures, guys. Oh,
Wait, I'm
before we
just
do,
trying.
my view, it's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, now time to click pictures. See ya.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Dog Man here, back again with another yeah. Today I'm here collaborating with my homegirl, Lavanya, or should I say, Love Laganya? Take it away.
Hey, welcome to Folava, guys. The day has officially ended. We are now at the station. Say hi. Hey. And now we're gonna go back to the Airbnb, and guess what we're gonna do? Sleep
And eat.
Order food, order
and
food.
eat. Oh shit! Yeah.
Eat and sleep.
Eat as well. And
Drink water.
yes.
Yes,
water.
I did.
I have like 2 empty bottles in my bag right now. I don't know what I'm doing with those empty bottles. But yes.
Recycle.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Did you catch me yawn?
Wait, did I? Hopefully I did.
Editor, zoom into Gotham's face while he was yawning.
While he was yawning.
Physical Zoom. Anyways, we had a very productive day. We had a lot of fun. We went to like Liberty Island where we saw Statue of Liberty. We also went to Dumbo. Okay, sir. and then we also went to Dumbo. Yep.
Yeah.
And we saw the city from there. It was really nice. I wish we could explore Dumbo more, but Brooklyn Bridge was so good. It's still stuck in my head. Yep. Now, when we'll have dinner, day 2 officially ends. So, goodbye and see you soon on day 3. Goodbye. Bye, guys. Say bye. Bye. oh.